In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this hat. This is part 3 of this bucket hat, crop top, and mini skirt set. This is a very easy pattern to follow. We're just going to use half double crochets, so that's just one stitch for the whole hat, for the whole project. And we do need to do some increase, but that's also very easy. We're going to start from the top of the hat. The increase rounds here follows the pattern. Straight down here, no increase, and some increase here. It does involve some color changing, as you can see, at these 3 rounds, but that's also very easy because you don't need to change color in the round. So you'll need 2 colors. One ball is enough for the main color, and you'll also need a little bit of the accent color. For the whole set, the hat, the top, and the skirt, I'm just using this 4mm crochet hook. And you'll also need a yarn needle, scissors, and a tape measure. To begin, make a magic loop. If you know another way to do this, go ahead and use your method. We're going to begin the first round with the chain 1. In this loop, work 8 half double crochets. So yarn over, insert hook in this ring, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on the hook. I'm going to use a stitch marker to mark this first stitch. Then make 7 more half double crochets in this ring. Yarn over, insert a hook and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 3. Keep repeating this. When you have 8 half double crochets, pull the short end tight to close the loop. Then I'm going to make a slip stitch in the marked stitch, which is the first stitch of this round. The second round, chain 1. This does not count as a stitch. In the same stitch, yarn over and make 2 half double crochets. That's 1. One more in the same stitch. Mark the first stitch. In the next stitch, work 2 half double crochets again. Two again in the next stitch. So go ahead and work 2 half double crochets in each stitch of this round. You should have 16 stitches for round 2. Join to the first stitch with the slip stitch. Chain 1 to begin round 3. In the same stitch, make 1 half double crochet. Don't forget to mark this stitch. Two half double crochets in the next stitch. One in the next stitch, then 2 in the next, So keep working like this. 1 half double in one stitch, then 2 half doubles in the stitch after, and complete this round. You should have 24 stitches for round 3. Join to the first stitch and chain 1. The pattern for round 4 is 1 half double crochet in the first stitch, 1 in the next, then 2 in the next stitch. Then repeat the pattern again. 1, 1, 2. So go ahead and finish round 4. You should have 32 stitches for this round. Then join to the first stitch and chain 1. Round 5, we are going to do 1, 1, 1, 2. That means 1 half double crochet in the first stitch, 1 in the next stitch, 1 in the next, and 2 in the next stitch, and then repeat. So this round we did 1 half double crochet in 3 stitches, then an increase, then round 6, 1 half double crochet in 4 stitches, then an increase in the next stitch. Round 7 is 1 half double crochet in 5 stitches, then an increase. So follow this pattern and keep increasing like this. I did 11 rounds. This circle now is 7.25 inches in diameter. To decide how many rounds you need to do, measure your head circumference, then divide it by 3.14. The quotient is the diameter of your circle. So my head is 22.5 inches, divided by 3.14 is roughly 7.2 inches, and that's how big my circle is. Insert your hook in the first stitch. We're going to do 1 round of purple, or whatever your color is. Use the new color to make a slip stitch. Then chain 1 to secure. Next round is the first round of the middle section. And for the middle section, we're just going to do 1 half double crochet in each stitch. But for this round, we will work in the back loop like this. I'm going to carry these 2 yarns in this stitch just to secure it more. This is completely optional for you. You don't have to do this. It doesn't change how the hat looks. Then I'll just work 1 half double crochet in each stitch for this round. At the end of the round, change back to the white yarn at the slip stitch. So insert hook and use the white yarn to complete the slip stitch and chain 1. Then chain 1 to begin the next round again. For this round, again work 1 half double crochet in the back loop of each stitch. So it's just like the last round. Join to the first stitch with a slip stitch. And from the next round, we're just going to do plain half double crochet rounds. And when you work a stitch, insert in both loops. When you finish the last stitch, slip stitch in the first stitch, then chain 1, and start the next round again from the first stitch. 1 half double crochet in each stitch in both loops. So for this middle section, Starting from the colored round, I did 3.5 inches. At the end of the section, we are going to do one round of purple again. So join the color at the slip stitch. Do one round of back loop plain double crochet round. This is exactly like before. One half double crochet in each stitch, and each half double crochet is worked in the back loop of each stitch. The next round is the first round of the brim section. We're going to first change back to the white yarn. For this round, we're going to make some increase. I'm going to make one half double crochet in the first 3 stitches. Then in the next stitch, work 2 half double crochets. Then repeat again. 1 half double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Then an increase, which is 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. So this is the pattern for the entire round. By the way, you can cut all other threads now. Join to the first stitch to complete this round. The pattern for the next round is 1 half double crochet in the first stitch, 2 in the next, then 1 in each of the next 3 stitches. So that's 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. Repeat this and complete this round. Join to the first stitch. Then we're going to do one more round of increase. The pattern for this round is 1 half double crochet in the first 4 stitches, then an increase. That's 2 half double crochets in the same stitch, then 1 half double in the next stitch. So that's 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. Next, do 3 plain half double crochet rounds. That just means 1 half double crochet in each stitch for every round. So after those 3 plain half double crochet rounds, change to purple and do one last increase round. We are going to do 6 half double crochets, then increase in the next stitch. Follow the pattern and finish this last round. Join to the first stitch and fasten off. Use the yarn needle to weave in all the ends, then you're done. If you've watched all 3 videos and made a set, please tag me on Instagram. I'd really love to see it. Thanks for watching. Bye!